prior to going with the shop integration, we were having to do a lot of phone calls to different shops. We were keying in invoices at the end of the process, and it really just was a pretty substantial paper trail to keep up with. We specialize in restoration of all types. We do water damage, fire damage, pretty much anything that would require restoration. We have a fleet of about 35 vehicles, several generators. With the shop integration, it has been almost seamless in that everything is processed over the internet, the approval process. We're able to download the information straight into the software, so we don't have to keep all that information in again. Keep things consistent, clean, and just makes it a whole lot easier to manage. I was actually driving down the road the other day and got an email that I had a vehicle that needed authorization. I was able to pull over, log in, see what the recommendations were, and basically approve or decline anything that I didn't feel needed to be done right away without ever having to make a phone call. So it's seamless. Part of the program have on there a list of their prices, what they charge for oil changes, all the way down to diagnostic procedures. It makes it really easy to look and see who I want to take this vehicle to. Consolidated billing on the maintenance is absolutely crucial to us, and that we get a statement which we're able to reconcile and make sure that everything, what we thought was going out is actually going out. So yes, the charging feature inside the Fleetio shop integration has made life very easy. And speaking with one of our main providers, she did a follow-up call to make sure that I had gotten the information, which I had, and her concern was actually how easy it was for her to process the information over to me, and that it almost seemed too easy. The shop integration is definitely going to streamline the entire process from where we send the technicians to get done to the process of getting the approvals. It's so simple, and then finally the billing portion. Definitely, it takes the pressure off the shops and worrying about whether they're going to get paid 30 or 60 days, and it gives us all the information in one place to really be able to dissect it, do what we need to with it. So the shop integration is going to make life so much easier for us.